Speed up Spring Boot startup time. Introduction. Spring Boot applications are powerful, but sometimes they can be slow to start, especially in large microservices applications with many dependencies, complex configurations, heavy auto-configuration. Slow startup can impact developer productivity, CI/CD pipelines, container scaling, Kubernetes, Docker, serverless environments. Optimizing startup time is important for building high-performance and scalable systems. What does speed up startup time mean? It means reducing the time taken for the application to go from start means application ready. In simple terms, less initialization time means faster application startup. Example concept. App starts means loads beans, means configures context, means ready. Goal. Optimize steps means reduce startup time. Why Spring Boot startup can be slow. Common reasons include too many auto configurations, large number of beans, heavy class path scanning, database initialization, external service calls, logging overhead. Example concept. More components means more initialization means slower startup. Method 1. Enable lazy initialization. Spring Boot can delay bean creation until needed. Example Spring main.lazy initialization. Example concept. Startup means fewer beans, initialized means faster startup. Trade-off. First request may be slower. Method 2. Reduce component scanning. Avoid scanning unnecessary packages. Bad at Spring Boot application. Scan base packages. COM. Good at Spring Boot application. Scan base packages. com.myapp. Example concept. Less scanning means faster startup. Method 3. Remove unused dependencies. Each dependency adds auto configuration. Example. Remove unused starters. Avoid heavy libraries. Example concept. Fewer dependencies means fewer auto configurations. Method 4. Exclude auto configuration. Disable unnecessary auto configurations. Example at Spring Boot application exclude equals data source auto configuration.class. Example concept. Unused config disabled means faster startup. Method 5. Use Spring Boot DevTools. Development only. DevTools speeds up restart during development. Dependency. Spring Boot DevTools. Example concept. Code change means fast restart means better productivity. Method 6. Optimize logging. Heavy logging slows startup. Example logging level root equals error. Example concept. Less logging means faster initialization. Method 7. Use application startup metrics. Spring Boot provides startup metrics. Example Spring application app equals new Spring application, application.class, app.setApplication startup, new buffering application startup, 2048. Example concept. Measure startup means identify bottlenecks. Method 8. Use functional bean registration. Instead of annotation scanning, define beans programmatically. Example concept. Manual bean config means less scanning means faster startup. Method 9. Use Spring AOT, ahead of time processing. Spring Boot 3 Plus supports AOT optimizations. Benefits. Faster startup, reduced reflection, better native support. Example concept. AOT processing means optimized runtime, means faster startup. Method 10. Use native image, GraalVM. Compile app into native binary. Benefits. Extremely fast startup, low memory usage. Example concept. Native image means near instant startup. Trade-off. Build complexity. Method 11. Optimize database initialization. Slow DB connections. Delay startup. Fixes. Disable schema auto creation if not needed. Use connection pooling properly. Delay DB initialization. Example. Spring.jpa.hibernate.ddl auto equals none. Example concept. DB init optimized means faster startup. Method 12. Avoid blocking calls in startup. Avoid API calls in app post construct heavy computations during startup. Example concept. Blocking logic means delays startup. Method 13. Use profiles to limit config. Use lightweight config for dev test. Example concept. Dev profile means minimal config means faster startup. Method 14. Class path optimization. Reduce class path size. Remove unused jars. Avoid duplicate libraries. Example concept. Smaller class path means faster scanning. Real-world example. Before optimization. Startup time. 15 seconds. Heavy logging. Many unused dependencies. Full DB initialization. After optimization. Startup time, 5 seconds. Lazy init enabled. Unused configs removed. Example concept. Optimization means 3x faster startup. Common mistakes. 1. Enabling lazy init in production blindly may cause latency on first request. 2. Removing required autoconfig leads to runtime errors. 3. Ignoring startup metrics. Hard to optimize without measurement. 4. Too many dependencies. Bloats application. 5. Heavy initialization logic. Slows startup significantly. Best practices. Best practices include: measure startup time before optimizing. Use lazy initialization carefully. Remove unused dependencies. Optimize scanning and autoconfig. Use AOT native for advanced cases. Keep startup logic lightweight. Example concept. Measure means optimize means verify improvement advantages. Advantages include faster deployments, improved developer experience, better scalability, containers, reduced resource usage, faster CI/CD pipelines. Challenges. Challenges include identifying bottlenecks, balancing startup versus runtime performance, managing complex configurations, ensuring stability after optimization. Concepts learned. By learning this topic, you understand why Spring Boot startup can be slow, how to optimize initialization, how lazy loading works, how auto configuration impacts startup, how to use advanced optimizations. AOT. Native. Simple definition. Speed up Spring Boot startup time. The process of optimizing application initialization to reduce the time required for the application to become ready. Final summary. Spring Boot startup time can be improved by optimizing bean initialization, component scanning, dependencies auto-configuration, logging, database initialization. Simple optimizations like lazy initialization plus reduced dependencies plus optimized config can significantly improve startup performance. For advanced use cases, technologies like Spring AOT, GraalVM native image can provide near-instant startup.